Hello everyone, welcome to Data in Nutshell. In this video, we are going to see how to auto-label emails in your Gmail account and transfer all the emails automatically with the help of Google Apps Script and this Google Sheet. Let's select a date range in this first, and this date range will basically decide a data set, or you can say a subset of your Gmail emails, so that we don't have to pull all the emails together. And it will give you a glimpse that how many emails are there approximately and in under which labels they are in. So after putting the date range, click on fetch emails. Let's wait. Script has been finished. Now you can see we have 348 emails in column A. Let's go and check it. 348, right? And we also have label against it, like this email is in this label, right? Now with the help of these two columns, column G has been populated, and let's see the total unique email IDs we have 64. So we can say that these 348 emails are sent from 64 unique email addresses in column G, right? And column H is where you have to enter manually your own email address name that you want to assign to this email address, and this is the current label as of now for this email address. You can see the number of emails received from this email address as well, and also we have basically set a color formatting, right, where the darker the color is, the red color, that means the highest number of emails are there. So for example, let's go and check for no reply @kaggle.com, which is 14, right? So this 14 count is basically between these date range. So there is a possibility that from this email address you will have more than 14 as well. So let's copy it and move to your Gmail, go to inbox and enter the email address here and just enter. Now you will see there are more than 50 for sure, right? And 1-50 of many. So it is showing only 50 out of many. So there are many emails that are under this category. So we'll just write here Kaggle. This video we are only targeting this email. Let's go and check the Gmail. You can see there are only these labels: Airbnb, LinkedIn, RMKT, share request, TradingView, WordPress, YouTube comments, right? But we do not have any label name as Kaggle. So once it is done, go and click on auto label emails and just wait for some time. Okay, the script has been finished. Let's go to Gmail account. And you can see that we have Kaggle here. Click on that, and there are 109 emails, and all the emails have been moved to this label. And if I go and click on here, go to inbox, paste the email address again and click it, and you will see that with inbox it also has a label of Kaggle in this. So now all the emails have been moved to Kaggle and it is now sorted. With the help of this tool, you can do it for n number of email addresses. Just name the label and click on here, and it will assign all the emails of one label which is mentioned in this column H, and your Gmail account will be sorted after that. I would request you can bookmark this Google Sheet, right? And you will definitely going to get awesome features tab by tab, and you can use this Google Sheet as a one-stop solution for Gmail automation. Thanks for watching.